Evo is a revolutionary companion for your smartphone. This innovative device includes a backup battery, Bluetooth tracker, customizable remote, memory storage, wall charger, and a phone stand in an incredibly portable solution that fits on your keychain. Now you may be asking yourself, haven't I seen these features in some way or another before? Well, what makes Evo unique is its custom app that lets you configure the device to fit your lifestyle. Evo's brilliant design includes 3 easy-to-program buttons that let you trigger and control multiple functions on your smartphone. Use Evo's app in music mode to switch tracks or adjust volume on the go. Select camera mode to quickly shoot selfies. Trigger safety mode to send an alert to family or friends in the case of an emergency. Evo also helps you with your presentations. Can't find your phone? Simply press a button on Evo to make your phone ring. If you've misplaced your keys, you can use Evo's app to make your keychain ring. Evo uses Safety Lock to automatically lock and unlock your phone when you move away from it. If you leave your phone behind, Evo will beep to remind you. Now, these are all very cool features, but Evo also changes the way you charge your smartphones, tablets, even gaming controllers. With Evo, you'll never need another charging device for your mobile technology. The built-in battery provides an emergency power boost, so you'll never miss another call. You can also travel lighter. Evo eliminates the need to carry multiple cables or adapters. Replace $150 worth of gear with one sleek device that does it all. Charge directly from any wall outlet. Evo also includes a built-in USB option, so you can charge your phone using your computer. Unlike most devices, Evo's smart charging technology lets you charge your battery and your smartphone at the same time. Never run out of power again. Stay connected using Evo's multiple charging options. If you need more storage, Evo has a built-in SD card reader for increased memory for your smartphone. And on top of all that, we've seamlessly integrated the Smart Stand, which can be used when sharing a photo or video with a friend.
The road can be a very dangerous place for you, your family, and your vehicle. Question: when you park your car, do you worry you'll come back to find it's been damaged, broken into, towed away, or even stolen? Are you ever concerned about your loved ones while they're out on the road? If you are, you're not alone. According to the FBI, in 2014, a car was stolen every 14 seconds, along with a rise in break-ins and assaults across the U.S. What if you were able to receive an instant notification on your smartphone if any of those things were to happen, and at the same time receive a video of the event as it's occurring? Now, imagine if you were able to prevent these things from even happening. What would that peace of mind be worth to you? Well, that reality is here. Introducing the AutoEye, the first app that uses new smart camera technology that instantly connects users to their automobiles. Our 360-degree in-car video camera deters criminals, keeps your loved ones safe, and prevents break-ins and theft. The AutoEye detects any impact or movement and captures exactly who, what, and where an incident happens as it's happening. Amazingly, our patented auto detection device records 15 seconds before any impact occurs and 15 seconds after as well. It then immediately uploads the video to our secure cloud server and syncs the AutoEye to your smartphone. Our sophisticated technology also knows the proximity of the AutoEye fob to the device and automatically adjusts sensitivity to measure the level of impact. This prevents false notifications when you get in and out of your car. AutoEye attaches quickly and easily to your car's rearview mirror and takes less than 5 minutes to install with no mechanical experience needed. If any impact or movement is detected, the AutoEye alerts criminals and predators with a verbal warning.
This vehicle is equipped with a camera. You are being recorded and the police are en route.
And because the video is captured locally and immediately sent to the cloud, even if the thief steals the AutoEye, the footage will be safely secured on our server. The system can also be activated remotely using our live stream feature, so you can see your car at any time using the AutoEye cameras. We not only protect your car, but the people in your car by allowing the driver to trigger the cameras at any time. If a driver feels threatened while driving or parked, they can start recording immediately using our hands-free device to capture what happened prior, during, and after the event. Also equipped with GPS, the Auto Eye lets you know exactly where your car is at all times. So if your car is being stolen, towed, or used unexpectedly by a family member, you'll be notified immediately. The Auto Eye also allows the driver to use its camera as a dash cam, a safe, hands-free device for the auto enthusiast or capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. Let us protect you, your vehicle, and your loved ones from harm and ultimately prevent any unfortunate or catastrophic events from ever happening. The Auto Eye, making the road a safer place.
Mobile phones make our life simple and easy, but sometimes we have annoying problems with the mobile chargers. Trying to plug it in a couple of times before you get it right. Accidentally damaging your phone. Connecting your phone when your hands are busy. Damaging your cables. Unable to charge your phone fast enough from the laptop. Earlier this year, we started tackling this challenge and we have come up with a very elegant solution, inspired by the revolutionary MacBook charger. Introducing the magnetic connector for your mobile devices, the MuConnect. It has two parts, the pin and the connector. The pin fits into your device and the connector to your charger. The connector automatically fits into place. Fast charge your phone with a simple slide of a button. With MuConnect, simply connect your phone. Charge your phone without being distracted from your work. Charge your phone up to twice as fast when connected to a laptop or while driving. Prevent any unwanted accidents from damaging your phone, and no more fiddling in the dark. MuConnect is designed to look elegant. We have made it simple and compact. To achieve this, we custom designed many of the parts and made various prototypes. The greatest advantage of this compact size is that it is unobtrusive and it goes with any phone case you might have, so you don't have to ditch your favorite case.
I'd like to introduce you all to a very exciting and interesting thing. Now, I've put a lot of thought and research into ways of seeing small and delicate things with the naked eye. As you can see, traditional microscopes are big and heavy. They can only be used in certain places. But now, the perfect microscope has been invented. Let me introduce you to the Nurugo microscope. It's very easy to use. You can just mount it on the back of your smartphone. There are no cords and no additional batteries. Since it's a small microscope, you can utilize it anywhere and anytime. Now, let's take a look at this small microscope's amazing performance. As you can see here, what can't be seen with the naked eye can easily be verified with this product. And the image is high resolution compared to other microscopes. Let's take a closer look. It's astonishing how this small microscope can enlarge the target by up to 400 times its original size. Nurugo microscope, not only can it be used for research and education, but it can also be utilized in fields that require a microscope, such as work and everyday lives.
The two key factors for producing the high-resolution image are the lens and the lighting. The lens is capable of enlarging the target by up to 400 times its original size. And this lighting technology has also been patented. You can also get video without any additional batteries or cables.
Everyone had an amazing response when I uploaded the videos and images taken by Nurugo microscope on SNS. If you simply and easily want the best results anywhere and anytime, Nurugo microscope is the answer.
Meet Olo. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. Olo is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, Olo uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. Olo works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from Olo's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. Olo can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and Olo does the rest. Olo uses a special photopolymeric resin. Olo prints are designed by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. Olo can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After Olo prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. Olo has different resins for different jobs. Olo can print hard objects and flexible ones. Olo even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. Olo's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. With Olo, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.